Want to show images or GIFs inside your Gravity Forms tooltips? With the Tooltips for Gravity Forms plugin by WPMonks, you can do it in seconds, no coding needed. Go to your WordPress dashboard, Media, Add New. Upload your image or GIF and copy the file URL. Next, go to Forms, Booster and select the form where you want to add the tooltip. Click the Tooltips panel and then select the field. In the Tooltip content box, paste this line. Just replace the URL with your copied file length. Save, then preview your form. Hover or tap on the tooltip icon and your image or GIF pops right in. That's how easy it is with Tooltips for Gravity Forms by WPMonks. Download the plugin using the link in the description